me show you guys. So you're gonna go to here. Let's do some color. And it changes the color in here, so. So cool. Hey guys, so I just got back home and y'all, like, I'm so overwhelmed right now. You guys didn't know, I actually haven't been on social media in a little over 2 months now. I deleted my social media. Just wanted to get clarity in my life of what I wanted to do. That was my purpose of not being on Instagram. So a lot of the things that are occurring in life or in this world right now, I don't really know about unless, you know, my mom tells me, my sister tells me, or I like see it on YouTube or something. So like I've been seeing everything that happened. Now I'm seeing what everyone is doing for as protesting goes, and it's just a lot. And personally, like I said, I have not been on Instagram, so I don't see it a lot. You know, I only seen it from what my family has showed me. It's so much going on, and like I seen like different states are like protesting, and I feel like, you know, the last couple of months, my anxiety, I've been able to control it a lot. My anxiety hasn't been like super bad, you know, like I can control it, or it hasn't. It's like just been just a lot for me. But seeing that the right is right, wrong is wrong, and to be treated or mistreated a certain type of way, you know, because of the color of the skin is just, I don't think I'll ever understand it. You know, if you want to protest, you know, go protest. I just want to say, just stay safe and just continue to have faith. I couldn't not talk about this in my vlog. It's just a lot to even process, and I just pray for those families. Ad revenue that she's making from a recent video she posted is going to George Floyd's funding for his funeral. And then you don't want to protest and you're a little scared like me. Just having conversations with friends or family, just educating and creating knowledge, and just creating that, just sparking up that conversation in general is doing something. So yeah guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow because I just want to like just relax and just woosah, get myself back together. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Today it is June 2nd. Let me close the door. It is June 2nd, and what are we doing today? Today we are supposed to be building my bed and putting up my curtains. So let me show you guys. I went with this rug. It's a I don't mind that I have to do the baseboard, but it's a 5x7 rug, and then I went with the Eclipse Absolute Zero 100%. See how they kind of go. Blackout 2 Absolute Blackout rocket panels. Yeah, so I went with 2 of these for my 2 windows. And then I got 2 of the 84-inch sheer panels. Because this is gonna go in my canopy bed, but I only got 2 because I really don't know. Let me sit you guys down. I really don't know how many I'm gonna need, and I don't know if those are gonna work, if I have to get a different type. So I just got 2, but it's spinning. They were only $5 a piece. The white curtains were $5 a piece. The rug was about $65, and the curtains for my room, the windows, were about $9 to $12 each. So far I've spent about 600 or 700 on things for my room, which isn't bad. Like for my bed included, like that's really not bad. So I'm about to put up my curtains for my room.
Through my rear view, go and make me scream to God. He can't hear you. I can feel your heart beating fast, cause it's time to die. Getting high, watch the time fly. I will be staring at the world through my rear view.
Not really that long, but this is how they look closed in my room. So I'm gonna put the other one up and see how this looks. I like it though. I actually really like it.
I will be staring at the world through my rear view. Scream to God, he can't hear you. Heart beating fast, time to die. Watch the time fly. Staring at the world through my rear view. Scream to God, he can't hear you.
Wow, this looks like a brand new room, y'all. Like, oh my God, I'm so excited.
Last night you get shot while the whole block step. I will never understand this society. But they try to murder me, then they lie to me. Product of a John Breed. All my homies try weed. Now the little baby's crazy, raised on fantasy. Tell me when my enemies flee when they see me. If it does, gotta learn to take it easy.
So this is how this tag up. The phone's looking. So I'm about to close these so you guys can see. Literally no light in here. I love it. Like, love, love, love it. This is how it looks with the control app. So and then this is how it look with the curtains opened. Yay! So my bed just came in. So we're about to, my mom and I are about to put the bed together.
Ain't no mama.
Let me see what A look like. That's what we just used, huh?
No,
Yes, it is.
we just use clamps. We use that right there.
So what A it again on here?
This is A right here.
Cause it says two of them.
I know, just like it was 2H.
I'm seeing nothing but my dreams coming true while I'm staring at the world through my rear view. See, I'm seeing nothing but my dreams coming true while I'm staring at the world through my rear view. They got me staring at the world through my rear view. Going baby, scream to God, he can't hear you. I can feel your heart beating fast, guess it's time to die. Getting high, watch the time fly. Now I was raised a young black man in order to get paid. Crack sales, caught a nigga, so they send me to these over black jails. In a cell, counting days in the slipping black hell. Do you feel me?
It's this one. This 76 or 79, one of them.
Yep.
Okay guys, so the bed is done. We gotta add more pillows. We gotta add some wall decor. But the room is pretty much done, guys. Like, my room is really, oh, look a mess. My room is really not that big, but it's pretty much done. I'm probably gonna put, oh, I have to put the curtains up on the rails. And then I might put a big picture of me on this wall. My TV is getting mounted here. Here's my desk, and I'm gonna get like a really miniature.
Watch the time fly. Staring at the world through my rear view. Scream.